Welcome back to our channel, Fountain of Dollars. Aspiring YouTubers. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of making money on YouTube. Whether you're a content creator looking to monetize your passion or someone looking to start a brand new channel, this video will provide you with practical tips and strategies to help you succeed. If you've ever wondered how your favorite YouTubers turn their passion into a paycheck, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First things first, you need to create a YouTube channel. Step 1. Find your niche. What's your passion? Whether it's gaming, beauty, cooking, or travel, pick a topic that truly excites you. Being authentic and passionate about your content will keep you motivated and engaged, even during challenging times. Choose a niche or topic that you're passionate about and that has the potential to attract an audience. Consistency is key, so make sure you upload videos regularly. Next, study successful YouTubers in your niche. What sets them apart? How do they engage with their audience? Take notes and learn from their strategies. While you should never copy someone else's content, you can adapt successful elements to fit your unique style. Monetization. Now let's talk about monetization. The YouTube Partner Program is your gateway to earning money on the platform. To be eligible, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once you meet these requirements, you can apply and start monetizing your videos. Other ways to earn money from YouTube. There are various ways to make money from YouTube. The most common method is through ads. YouTube displays ads on your videos and shares the revenue with you. The more views and engagement your videos get, the higher your ad revenue will be. Selling merchandise. Another great opportunity is selling merchandise. With the merchandise shelf feature, you can showcase your own branded products directly on your channel. From t-shirts to mugs, offer your audience something they can proudly wear or use, and support your channel at the same time. Brand partnerships. Brand partnerships are another avenue for generating income. As your channel grows, brands may reach out to collaborate with you. These collaborations can include sponsored videos, product reviews, or brand integrations. Just make sure the partnerships align with your values and resonate with your audience. Crowdfunding. Consider creating a Patreon or utilizing crowdfunding platforms. Patreon allows your most loyal fans to support you directly with monthly subscriptions, gaining access to exclusive content or perks. Crowdfunding platforms like Kickstarter or GoFundMe can help you fund special projects or upgrades for your channel. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another fantastic way to earn money. You can partner with companies and promote their products or services using unique affiliate links. When someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. Just remember to be transparent and disclose your affiliate partnerships. Engagement. Engagement is key to growing your channel and attracting opportunities. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and make an effort to build a genuine connection with your audience. The more engaged your viewers are, the more likely they'll support you and recommend your content to others. Loyal subscriber. Once your channel is up and running, focus on building a loyal subscriber base. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, creating polls, and asking for feedback. Building a community around your content will be crucial for your success. Types of content. Now let's talk about the different types of content you can create. Whether it's educational, entertainment, vlogs, or tutorials, make sure your videos provide value to your viewers. The more value you offer, the more likely they are to subscribe and keep coming back for more. YouTube Partner Program. Once you've gained some traction and meet the eligibility requirements, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. This will enable you to monetize your videos through ads, channel memberships, and merchandise shelf. But don't just rely on ads for income. Diversify your revenue streams by exploring other opportunities, such as brand partnerships, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, and selling your own merchandise. This will help you maximize your earnings potential. SEO optimized videos. To increase your chances of getting discovered on YouTube, you need to optimize your videos for search. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. Additionally, create eye-catching thumbnails and compelling video titles to grab viewers' attention. Promotion. Promotion is key to growing your channel. Share your videos on social media platforms, collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche, and participate in relevant online communities. The more exposure your videos get, the higher the chances of attracting new viewers. YouTube Analytics. Analyzing data and understanding your audience is crucial. Use YouTube Analytics to gain insights into your viewers' demographics, watch time, and traffic sources. This data will help you make informed decisions about your content strategy and optimize your future videos. Lastly, pay attention to your analytics. YouTube provides valuable insights about your audience, watch time, and traffic sources. Use this information to understand what's working and what can be improved. Adapt your content strategy based on data, but always stay true to your creative vision. Remember, making money on YouTube takes time and dedication. Focus on providing value, engaging with your audience. You can turn your YouTube channel into a profitable venture and constantly improving your content with the right approach and a bit of luck. That's it for today's video on how to make money from YouTube. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Happy YouTubing! Until next time.